Well, it's finally a snowy winter in Maine. We had to wait till 2025 and until February, but now we're getting storms every 2 to 3 days and about 6 to 10 inches every time. So we are getting some snow, and this is the aftermath of a snowstorm that we recently had last night. And it's beautiful, a little bit over 30 degrees, and we're outside enjoying it, cleaning up the yard and hanging out with the chickens because they can get out and enjoy this weather too. Giving them some special Grubterra treats because they absolutely love them. It's good for them. It gives them some healthy immunities, and they just absolutely love pecking around on the ground after them. So we're just going to hang out and see what the day is going to bring us, and hopefully no more snow for at least a little bit longer.